Hi guys, it's Jossie. I'm here to open the last 6 capsules of this Miniverse Diner Series 1 box that I got. I have really been enjoying all the items that I've gotten in this series, so I can't wait to see the last 6 that I get and to see if I actually do get a complete set. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, let's start off with this one. Okay, we're starting off with a doily. We got some sliced strawberries. We get a tart crust. And we get some raspberries and blackberries. Let's see what utensils we get for this. We get a fork. So we get a cake stand with a cloche. I really love these. I think they're so cute for displaying items. And then we get some lemon cream. Okay, let's move on. Okay, for this one, we get a 100% happy coaster. We get a chocolate bar. And we get a cute little glass. We get some whipped cream. And we get some of those cookie sticks. There's a name for these, but I can't think of them right now. You could eat a ton of these because they're so light. We get 2 straws. And we get some chocolate milkshakes. So we got the chocolate shake. Okay, let's move on. Okay, we get another 100% happy coaster, this time in blue. We get 4 whole strawberries. We get some whipped cream. These are the teeny ones compared to the big one that comes in these containers. Ooh, yay! We get some Madeleines. We get another one of those cute cups. The girl glasses. This should be some straws. Yep. 2 straws. These are the straws that they have when you get, or they give you when you get boba drinks. We get some strawberry milkshake. Let's go with the 4th one. I get a sunny side up placemat. These are always so bent. Oh, yay. Okay. We get some avocado slices. We get some bread. I think this is just white bread or wheat bread. We get an oval plate. What is this going to be? We get a knife. And we get some spread. It doesn't say what kind of spread. So some kind of spread that you can use to make avocado toast. Okay, second to last one. I think I'm still looking for another cheesecake and something else. Okay, this one comes with a doily, some blueberries, a big container of blueberries. We get some cheesecake. If I had a choice, I would just get a cheesecake like this because I just love plain New York cheesecake with no toppings. Maybe a little bit of whipped cream, but that's it. So we got another cake stand with a cloche. These are just so cute. See, these are the two different kind that you can get in this series. So cute. This is the reason why I wanted to get this series, because I love these. And they haven't had these in any of the later series. So I'm glad I finally got them because they are very cute to display your little desserts in. And then a big bottle of berry syrup with a nozzle. The utensil. For this one, we get a fork. Yeah, okay, bittersweet, the last capsule of this series. Okay, we get a sunny side up little mat. We get an oval plate. There's not very much variety of the dishes that you get in this series. Most of them are this oval plate. Okay, so we get strawberries, a sliced strawberries. We get more toast or bread. Oh, it fell out and I didn't even see. We get a knife. And we get some, I think it's Nutella spread because there's chocolate with hazelnuts on it. That sounds really yummy. Okay, let's cross off our collector's guide. We got the first thing we got was the mixed berry tart. Then we got the chocolate shake. Then the strawberry shake. And then the avocado toast. The blueberry cheesecake. And then finally we got the strawberry toast. So we did end up getting a complete series set. So that's good. I'm glad that I don't have to look for any items. I got everything that you can get in this series. So I can't wait to start putting some of them or making some of them, especially like the banana pudding and the cheesecakes. And yeah, the parfaits look really good too. So yeah, if you made it this far and you haven't seen my other video, I am putting together some mini burst meals for anyone who would like to suggest a meal I make for them. So you can pick anything. Like if you want a breakfast, you can pick an entree, maybe some French toast and a coffee. Or if you want lunch, you can pick a cheeseburger with a dessert that you would want, maybe a sundae and a soda, or a snack if you'd like, some donuts with a boba drink, anything like that. I'm going to leave a list down below, a short list down below. It's kind of a long list, actually, of kind of like a menu that you could choose from. Or if you know what items are in the Miniverse series is and suggest something, I'll do my best to whip that up for you. But thank you guys for sticking around for me opening all these 18 capsules of the Diner Series 1. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Bye.